Do you know when you're my client, you have an amazing team behind you each step of the way? My name is Gary Grewal with Cornerstone Home Lending. I am so excited to share a little bit more about my team is uniquely equipped to make sure you have a best experience out there. Let's dive into each person on my team and what they do throughout the home buying process. Number one is our client specialist. Our client specialist helps our clients start the home buying process. When you submit a free pre-qual application form, they will be the first one to review it and reach out to you to start the process. Throughout the process, they will schedule appointments with our team members. Number two is our closing coordinators. I would like to think of our closing coordinators as your personal home buying guide. They will be alongside with you throughout the process and make sure you get on the closing table on time. They will coordinate with all parties involved to make sure all the documents that are required for a smooth closing. Number three is our processor. While you will not hear a lot from our processor, they are such an important part of our team. They will coordinate with our team to verify every aspect of your file, from employment to insurance and everything in between. Number four is our underwriter. Our underwriter will review your employment, income, debt, assets, and more. They will look over everything with fine-tuned tooth comb to make sure the transactions go smoothly as possible. These are just a few of the many amazing people that helps our clients from start to finish. I am so blessed to work with these amazing team members. I know they will take good care of you on your home buying journey. You can comment below or shoot me an email at ggrewal@houseloan.com. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. Looking forward to talking to you next week. Bye.